Guys, we're just walking along the outside of the Duomo. It's incredible. All right, guys, we are here in Florence. We are about to climb to the top of the Duomo. The Duomo is the Cathedral of Florence, and we are climbing up to the cupola, the dome. To climb to the top of the Duomo, you need a ticket, and to get the ticket, you need to book in advance because space is limited, and if you just show up, chances are pretty good it will be sold out. When you buy your ticket in advance, you get what's called a Brunelleschi pass, which also gives you access over a 3-day period to the other monuments in this piazza. There is no such thing as a less expensive ticket that only allows you access to the dome and not to the other sites. But trust me, even if you just use this Brunelleschi pass to climb to the top of the Duomo, it's still worth it in my opinion. Today, however, we are going in with Walks of Italy. We're going to climb to the top of the cathedral all the way up to the cupola. It is straight up from ground floor level. There is no elevator to bring you part way. It's a lot of steps and it's steep. And afterwards, we're going to be coming back down into the Duomo, and we are going to be alone in the Duomo. Just us. So this is going to be a very special experience. It's a new tour for them, so I'm very excited to try this out for you guys and show you what it's like. So let's go. This is a really complete tour. We started in Piazza del Duomo, which is the plaza where the cathedral complex is. The complex includes the cathedral itself, the baptistry, Giotto's bell tower, and the museum of the cathedral. On this tour, we're only going to be visiting the cathedral. But at the end of the tour, our guide gave us our tickets so that we could visit the other 3 sites included in our ticket over the next 2 days. Before climbing the dome, we started in the piazza where our guide gave us some history. After this brief introduction, we walked around to the back where the entrance to the dome is. As I said, you can't just walk up and get tickets to climb the dome. You have to purchase these in advance. But even those people who'd purchased tickets in advance still had to stand in line with other people like them who'd purchased tickets for the same time frame. All right, guys, that is the line behind me. One of the benefits of going on this tour is we are skipping that line.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have a quick safety check. Okay, it'll be very easy and we are ready actually.
The height of the dome is 114.5 meters, or 375 feet. It's the 5th tallest dome in the world, and the church is the largest church in the world after St. Peter's Basilica in Rome and St. Paul's Cathedral in London. The only way to climb the dome is to climb all 463 steps from floor to top. If you're curious about the history of this dome, I highly recommend the book Brunelleschi's Dome by Ross King.
We go straight to the top, as we said. Then we go down to the southern terraces, facade. It's a real privilege, actually, because major part of the people, they would climb the top, that's it.
All right, you might notice nobody is coming down past me because to go up to this cupola, you go up in one direction, and then to go down, you go down the other side. So that is one of the benefits of climbing this dome. There are little breaks along the way, like we're stopped here at this level, so we can see the dome up close. So when I said 463 steps, these are the original steps that the workmen used when they were building the dome. Here we can see the inner dome, similar to the dome at St. Peter's. As soon as you reach the top of the dome, you can look down and see the full length of Florence's cathedral, along with Giotto's bell tower right next to it. The top of the dome offers 360-degree views of the city of Florence and the surrounding countryside. Our guide pointed out some of the most important monuments that we could see from the top of the dome. From the dome, you can easily spot the Basilica of Santa Croce, the Basilica of San Lorenzo, Pitti Palace, San Miniato, the Bargello, Piazza della Signoria, and Palazzo Vecchio. It helps to have an excellent guide who can point these things out and give some explanations of what we're looking at. I'm here with Jillian McGuire of Jillian Knows Best. Check out her Substack. It is amazing, especially if you want to know lots about Ponza and especially Venice. But she is also a Rome girl too. Jillian, what do you think of this tour?
It's amazing. You should definitely do it.
Guys, this is the part that's a little bit tricky. I don't even think it's quite as steep as this video is showing, but it is steep. You gotta hold on to the side rails, which I am doing with one hand while I film with the other. And we're going down, little by little, slowly down. All right, guys, on this tour, we get to go out onto this terrace here just for us. Super excited. Let's go see what it is. Guys, look at this. Already, this tour is so worthwhile, Jillian.
Amazing.
I mean, I've never done this before. This is insane.
Haven't done before?
Something I've never done. Look what's behind me. It is officially amazing. We are on this terrace that I've never been on before, that to my knowledge is not that easy to visit, but on this incredible tour, they're calling it the Clavigero, which is the same word they use for the tour that they also offer at the Vatican, where you go around with the Clavigero, the keymaster, and open up the rooms in the morning. And on this tour, we are going to be closing the Duomo with the Clavigero. Okay, this is narrow. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoa. Ah. You guys, we're just walking along the outside of the Duomo. It's incredible. I never thought I'd be able to do something like this. All right, last little bits, last steps. Here we go. Almost at the bottom. We did it. Well, guys, this is the true meaning of the word alone in the Duomo. We are alone in here. So speak about skipping the line. This is a true skip the line experience. And the fact that we got to climb the dome, it's already a wonderful thing to do, but you can do that anyway. But then getting to go on that outside terrace, oh my God. And then now we're here in the Duomo alone, so take a look. Well, guys, this has been an amazing tour, and I cannot recommend it enough. Walks of Italy is offering this tour. It's brand new, but you can book it on their website. I'm including a link in the description below. If you want to see more about climbing the other 2 towers here in Florence, check out my video right here.
Okay.
Grazie mille.
Può vedere la chiave da vicino?
Certo, vai.